rim protector worked exactly like I had expected it to.
Look at that. That would have been my rim if I didn't have these on.
The MagBak RimCase is a product made by a company called MagBak. These are made to go on the outside of your rim to protect it from curb rash or to cover up some pre-existing curb rash. When I first got the package, it was pretty obvious by the branding what it was. It said white on the outside because that was the color that I purchased. I made sure to buy 5 units so that in case I broke one, I would have an extra one at my disposal that I could just reapply immediately. Obviously, your goal isn't to break them, but it can happen. I then started to open up an individual box, which actually was super difficult to get out. Here's the outside of just one box. And here's the back as well. The back shows the different things that are inside of it. Here are 2 next to each other. Now that I have them all out, I'm gonna open one up. I started by using a screwdriver to cut the side of the box. The first thing that you see are these little rubber protectors. Then you have the plastic parts, followed by some alcohol wipes. The installation went straightforward at first. As you can see, I wiped off my rims with the alcohol towel, and this was super dirty, so make sure that you do this one, otherwise you'll have all that grime under your rim for the whole time. The first step that you have to do is put on the rubber pads underneath. So it's basically just like a rubber little plastic thing that you put underneath the spot where you put the MagBak rim protector. First you put on the one by the air nozzle, and then you put them all on. Then you put on the second set of protectors on the other parts of the rim. And finally you can start putting on the MagBak protector. It almost works like a hinge where it puts itself underneath the rim and then you have to latch it up and above it. So you have to apply this pressure in this very odd way, and it feels like you're breaking it sometimes while you're doing it, but if you just go ahead and push, it will eventually snap into place. But as you can see, there were some parts of it that took a really long time to do. Some of the spots it was really hard to get an angle, or it was just generally harder to do than the other ones, and I struggled on some of them. It took me a really long time to get the whole thing done. It was pretty straightforward, but it took a lot of trial and error. So overall, I felt like it was a great purchase for my Model Y, a very necessary one, and it creates a cool aesthetic that makes your car look unique to other people's vehicles. So if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, though I appreciate the support if you do that. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the flip. Thank you, and peace.